Hello, dear viewers. I'm making a chicken liver curry here. So, frying up the livers right now, and we're going to have a delicious curry here. Chicken curry, chicken liver curry. I'm going to throw the rest of my sweet potatoes in here that I had left over from that free meal place I got. All right. Frying these livers up here. That's the first step. I'm going to add some fish sauce. Here. Fish sauce will be the next thing. There we go. Now I'm going to add the fish sauce here. Just a little bit of fish sauce. That's about right. Yep, just a teaser there. That gives it flavor. So. So let's brown it up. And today I'm using yellow curry paste. So I'm going to keep going here. I got to keep my cooking going here. So I gotta get my coconut milk in here. Really nice, it's browning up real nice. Good old coconut milk here. And we add a little water there. Holy water. Little curry paste, not too much. That stuff is potent. Like Nate, Chloe, Brain, really potent there, viewers. So, my wife will testify to that. Right, wife? Yeah. Hot already. Add a little water to my curry because I got that soup too. Let's see. Okay. All right, here we go, dear viewers. Added the coconut milk. And all right, so like I said, I'm making a delicious yellow curry. I got to add my holy water here in a minute here. Let me give this a stir here. Talk about no small stir. So here's for you, Sophia. Curry chicken liver, your favorite. He says, I like chicken liver. My daughter, that is. So here you go. Making this just for you. Yes. When I get working, I gotta send your mother money so she could make you chicken livers. I'm using here's what I'm using here. The Mayploy brand. And here's the ingredients. So let's see if we can read this here. You see that there, viewers? That's what's in this yellow curry paste. Mayploy brand, so I'll be back there, viewers. Here at beautiful Camp Gospel this Thursday afternoon here. Still got a lot of ash in the air or smoke or whatever coming in from Canada. The sun's out, but the skies aren't really blue because it's filled with smoke or ash or whatever this stuff is out there. So I'll be back. Bye. I got the sweet potatoes in there now. So there they go. Yeah, it's not done yet. It's just a while to soften up and cook. But here it is. Here's my yellow curry using chicken liver, and I'm doing the remaining sweet potatoes I have. So I'm gonna let that just cook up real nice here. Yes, that's it. There's my little Kadai pan and my Coleman 533 dual fuel stove I'm using here. So I'll be back. Alright, viewers. There's the curry. It's coming too, I think, now. So I'm gonna see what I can do here. Hopefully I can get this here. I'm sorry, I'm one here, I'm my own cameraman, so I'm not I don't have no helper, no camera person to help me with camera work, so if I mess up a little bit, forgive me. So here I am, dear viewers, making a delicious lunch meal here. So it's almost ready, I say. Look at this. I say it's almost ready here. I gotta add my last ingredient though. So what you want to do when this the oil starts separating from the coconut milk, there's going to be a natural separation that taketh place. That means it's about ready then. So it's about almost done, I would say. It's pretty doggone close right now, dear viewers. So, but I'm going to put a lid on here just for another minute here, or just to ensure perfection here. I'm gonna get my greens here. I don't know what this herb is. I get it at the Asian store, the Sahai Chan, so it could be. Yeah, it smells good. It has a really earthy smell to it. So I didn't have no extra bowl, so I just used my measuring cup here for the rice. It has really a good smell to it. I just kind of coarsely chop it up. And you want to add this right before the curry's done, then that's kind of how you want to do this here. So what I'll do is maybe one more toss. It may be ready. It's getting very close. I don't want to overcook it either, so it turns over to oil, the coconut milk. That's not good, yeah. Just take the sweet potatoes about done here. Yeah, I think it's about done here. So what we're gonna do is add the right here. Just waste not, want not. You know, that's my philosophy. So we add these little guys in here. This is the final cooking. Just mix them in. It has a nice aroma to them. I can't describe it. I mean, I don't know how to. Earthy, very earthy, pleasant smell. Very nice. I think it's about ready. I mean, honestly, the curry is done. Just finish it up with this. My goodness, flies out like warming up out here. Yeah, he's done. You don't have to overcook it. It's like the last part of the last step. So what I'm gonna do, it's done. He's up there in the stove off here. Okay. He's done. Just let it rest for a minute here. Alright, so I'll be back. Dear viewers, here I am with my Alps Mountaineering Acropolis tent. My Coleman stove, my cooked rice already cooked up. So I'm gonna get ready to eat here in a few minutes here. Let it rest for a few minutes. I'll be back.